Hello 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the Creality Ender 3 version 3 KE. You will see the machine is running the Nebula Pad. So does the Creality CR10-SE, the Creality Ender 3 V3, the V3 Plus. And over time, more printers, including ones you guys have installed the Nebula Pad on yourself, such as potentially the Ender 3 version 3 SE. This also includes the K1 series, such as the K1, K1C, K1 Max. I need to talk to you guys about loading and removing filament. This is not your dad's Ender. I mean, who am I kidding? You probably are the dad. Those of you familiar with the process on older Enders, doing it properly, are accustomed to heating the hot end, pushing the filament down, releasing the extruder, and then pulling the filament up. Pushing it down drives the filament into the hot nozzle, melts off the little blob that might be at the end of the filament, and then allows you to safely remove it. I'm seeing a lot of confusion with these newer machines when it comes to removing and loading filament. There is no need for manual yanking, pushing, or pulling on the filament. There is no need for removing Bowden tubes or couplers. All of this is done through a new automated process controlled by your Nebula Pad. Let's start by loading filament, and then we will remove that filament. Here is some silk gold, and I'm going to load it into the hot end of my V3 KE. Inside this particular hot end is a Sprite SE. Simply release the gearing by pressing the tab and feeding the filament down into the hot end. You will feel it go down about an inch or so, and then stop. Do not touch anything else. No more touching the hot end. Here on your Nebula screen, press the hamburger button. Press the extrude/retract tab, then press the button that says extrude. You will see it's going to heat the nozzle for you. It will then prime the hot end by pushing the filament down through the nozzle. When that happens, you will see it goes from nozzle heating and illuminates extruding to blue. Let's watch it happen. There you go, a little piece of filament. Your hot end is loaded. Now, in the past, to remove this filament, you would depress the extruder, push down to drive filament through the nozzle, melting off any blobs on the filament, then remove it. You will see I just manually did that. However, this is not how it's done anymore. To remove or unload this filament, return to the Nebula Pad. If you are on a different screen, return to the hamburger, return to the extrude retract tab, and press the button that says retract. This will again automatically heat your nozzle for you. Then it will push the filament out the hot end by itself to melt that blob before retracting to safely and smoothly remove that filament from the extruder. You can see right here it's doing the push. It then does the extract. After that retract, the screen will show done, and you can easily depress the tab and remove the filament. After that retract, you will likely be able to remove this filament without depressing the tab. But I'm going to have you do it anyway. We want to be nice to the gears inside that extruder.